How do I know my liposuction results won't look lumpy or bumpy? Well, part of it depends on the technique that's used, and it's also depending on the size cannula that you use. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. When we do surgery, we use something called a cannula that sucks the fat out of your body. And you can see at the tip of the cannula there's holes, and those holes are sucking out the fat that's inside wherever you want to have liposuction. There are different sizes and there's different configurations of these cannulas. This one has 3 holes at the top. This is called the Mercedes tip. The configuration of the holes are separated by 3 in the same configuration as the Mercedes logo. A different cannula that we sometimes use is a basket cannula, and this is a basket tip because the tip of the hole looks like a basket. Now, depending on what kind of cannula you use and also the size, your liposuction may be a little bit more aggressive than smaller cannulas or a less aggressive type of cannula. Basket cannulas are good, but they sometimes can be aggressive. This is a 4mm tip, which is a little bit big, and they go up to 5, 6, even larger than that. You can also go a smaller size. This is a 3mm basket, and you can see it's a little bit smaller, so it's a little bit less aggressive. And then this is a 3mm Mercedes tip. Whenever you're doing liposuction, you have to be careful not to use a cannula that's too big or too aggressive, because that way you might have indents, divots, contour irregularities, and things like that. And that's why when we do liposuction, we're very careful with how much fat we take out and what speed we take it out, but also the size cannula and the configuration of the holes at the tip of the cannula so that we're not creating indents or anything like that.